has conducted 13 raids across Delhi, especially on Delhi's former minister Saurabh Bhardwaj's residence. I have with me Priyanka Kakkar ma'am, chief spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party. Ma'am, how would you respond to this?
See, yesterday the entire nation wanted to know why Modi ji abstained from giving his degree in the court and making it public. Now, to suppress this news, they came up with this fake degree, fake raid, because nakli degree wale nakli raid hi kara sakte hain. We are not going to be threatened by this. We have constantly been hounded by the agencies and nothing has ever been proven against us. We are not going to compromise with the BJP. We will continuously speak against their wrong policies. That is what bothers them. Even these allegations are so absurd. They pertain to the year 2016, 2018, 2019 and 2020-21. We haven't received the FIR yet, as is the trend. The BJP leaders are informing us about this. If that is the case, Saurabh Bhardwaj could not have sanctioned those projects because he was not a minister at that time. He only became a minister in 2023. Right. Now, if that is the case, and you know the minister at that time, Satyendra Jain ji, you've already hounded him case after case. And he's been now absorbed in court. You're filing one closure report after the other. What is this? Is this why the ED and CBI are paid salaries from the fat taxes that you collect from the citizens? Or should the ED and CBI go to make sure that the black money that is kept abroad is brought back to India? Should Mehul Choksi be brought back to India? What is ED's purpose? They've made a mockery out of the agencies. They've made a mockery out of the system. They should focus on positive governance and work on moolbhoot suvidhas like education and healthcare, which today has become so unaffordable for the common man.
Ma'am, you just mentioned healthcare. Ma'am, how would you respond to these delays in this hospital scam, would you say? Like why it was delayed during the AAP government?
No, to the best of my knowledge, from what I gather from the BJP ministers who are making these allegations, is that there is only one project of 2016 which was announced but did not take off, and therefore the delay. For other projects, they're not talking about delay. If that is the case, why should we not file an FIR and get a raid on the Prime Minister who promised us smart cities, even took money for it? I don't know where that money went. Where are the smart cities? If delay is to be the cause, then please let's be equal. Then this is unreal, the kind of hounding that they do against Aam Aadmi Party. It's simply because we do good work.
Ma'am, how Aam Aadmi Party is going to respond to these? Are you planning to take any legal action? Because time and again there have been ED raids against one or the another minister of Aam Aadmi Party.
See, we have utmost faith in the court of this country. When this matter reaches the court, if it does, it will have no feet to stand on. We have faith in the Janta of this country, who now see through all the false promises made by Modi ji, whether it was 15 lakh ka jhoota promise, whether it was bullet train ka jhoota promise, whether it was smart city ka jhoota promise. They've seen through it. They know who delivers. They're very smart.
So you just think this is just to demoralize the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, it's a very bad move. Okay. It's a very bad move because none of us are going to be demoralized with this. In fact, somewhere it is a tabka of honesty when the BJP is raiding us, not the ED actually. ED, yeah. When they raid us, it's just we know that they're scared.